What's up, everybody? We're back with another video. Make sure to subscribe and like right now. Don't forget that when we're playing this game today, we're playing some Clustertruck. Yes, I've played this before, but I forgot I was not recording, so that was just a big fail. But so I went inside world 2, but I'm gonna do world level 1 for you, everybody. Okay, this is go. Okay, alright, let's go here. Oh yeah, this one's pretty easy. Also, I brought an ability, like it's like double jump, but you have to wait for it to recharge. Okay, that one was pretty easy. We're gonna go to level 15. That one was actually pretty easy. Okay, we have 13,000. Okay, let's just go. Alright, level 2. Okay, let's go. Okay, boom. Oh, no. So I guess I'm just gonna sit on this truck. Oh, I'm glad that wasn't my truck, because if that was, then I probably would have died. Okay, level 2 is complete. I'm on world 1. Okay, we're just gonna jump here. Oh, we're gonna jump here. Alright, good. So I forgot to record, so that's why I know how to play this. But when I was recording, I did not know how to play this at all. But I went to level 15, so I completed all of these in the first try. Okay, we're gonna do level 4. Okay, we're just gonna have to jump here. Oh, snap! Oh, I died. Okay, jump here. I see the goal over there. Okay, jump here. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here. Nope, I'm gonna jump one more. Oh, yes. I'm gonna jump in the goal. Speed bonus, final score, style points. Yes. Okay, we're gonna jump here. I think one of these things break. Oh, trucks, don't run into it or else it's gonna break. Okay, good trucks. Alright, good trucks. Alright, so then we're gonna have to go here. Alright. Oh, snap. Wait, I forgot I died, so I guess I'm just gonna wait here the whole time. So while I'm waiting, just subscribe. I haven't seen any progress right now, but soon I will. So just go ahead and subscribe. No, I just wasted my whole time for like nothing. Oh my gosh. Nope. Good truck. Alright, we gotta get to level 15. Okay. Wow. Okay, gonna jump here. No. I fell twice. Like I'm like wasting time right now. Like I'm falling up for no reason. That was so weird how I just climbed up on that. Okay, we're gonna jump here. We're gonna jump to this truck. Ouch! I'm gonna jump to this truck. I'm gonna jump to this truck, and then we're gonna go here. So we're gonna go here. So boom! Oh! Yes! Ah, I died by some cluster trucks. That's right, cluster trucks. I died by. Ouchie! I don't know. I gotta stay on the bus this time. I died like how many times now? Like 5? What? Okay, I'm just gonna have to sit here on here. Nope. Good. Ouch. So I'm just gonna sit on this truck. Yep. I'm just gonna stay on this truck. Like this seems like the truck that's going the great way. Nope. This truck. So while I'm still here, if I beat it right now, you guys must subscribe. But if I don't, you guys just have to like the video. Well, that was pretty much easy, so we made it. Okay, good. We're level 5. We're almost level 15. Okay, boom. Alright. Oh, snap. Get out of my way. You. Oh, don't get hit by the rocks. Yes! Shoot. I completed it. I thought I touched the ground. Well, that was a big GG's, huh? Okay, we're gonna jump here. Jump here. Jump here. Oh, bad truck. Ouch. Why do you guys crash? Like, you don't have to crash. Okay, good trucks. Chill out. Chillax. Yes. Don't turn, you stupid truck. Yes. Alright, speed bonus. Done. Level 7, everybody. Level 7. Boom. Oh, we completed level 7. I'm actually pretty pro at this. No, where you trucks going? All you have to do is stay still. What? How do you beat this one? So I guess I'm just gonna go on the truck that goes to the right. I don't know, right or left. I don't know. Which side should I go to? Well, I'm gonna see where the trucks go. That truck. Yeah, let's ram these trucks. What are you trucks doing? Hey, come back. Yes, good trucks. Great trucks. These are amazing trucks just for that. You're amazing. You guys still haven't went through the goal yet, so we're gonna meet up with these trucks, huh? Oh, okay. Boom, boom. Jump here. Yes, trucks. Yes, flying truck. Oh, snap. I still died. But anyways, let's keep on going. Alright. Oh, snap. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Go. I think that part's gonna be pretty hard. Ooh. Ooh. Jump on this truck. On this one too. Good truck. Wait, where you going? Oh, sorry, I gotta jump. Okay, I'm guessing that. Yes, you have to jump. Oh, I have a lot of money. I have a lot of style points. I don't know. Bad. Ow, right on me. But I still didn't get hurt. Get the truck. Oh, did you guys see that? That was like some pro movements right there. Bad. Ow, whoa, get away. Boom. Whoa, I got hit and then I thought I was supposed to jump, but instead I didn't get to jump. Get away from me. Get away from our trucks. We deserve to go to the goal. You don't. Yes. We made it. Good job, everybody. We're back. Yes. Okay, we're gonna jump here. Oh! What was that? Wait, so I'm guessing this is level 10, right? Whoa. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep dying this time. So we're just gonna go under. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna sit on this truck and make sure that I don't get hurt by nothing. No, yes, turn faster, you stupid trucks. No! What are you doing? Alright, we're gonna go. Oh, snap. What? Alright, we made it. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna go anyways. Alright, so let's see. So we're on level 12 right now. Level 12 basically but it's like second volume, level 12, I guess. Okay, come on. Oh, I think this one's a hard one. I'm not gonna lie. This one's pretty hard. This is actually hard. What am I saying? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Good stuff. What are you trucks doing? Go. Why are you driving forward for? Supposed to be going this way. Oh, okay, I did not make it on the truck, but it's all good. Good truck. Oh, I touched it. Okay. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on this truck, and if I don't get hurt, then we good. Oh, I got hurt. I feel like it's just a human jumping. But I don't think that's possible. Oh, I did not make it, even though I tried to jump to this next truck. This one is hard. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to make 15. Ow. Ooh. Alright, we're about to make it. Yeah. Wow, just by that last second too. That little bit right there. Okay, we're gonna jump here. Bro, what are these trucks doing? Like, they're coming from nowhere. Yes. No. Good trucks. Yes. Oh, I still died. Okay, we're just gonna go anyways. Come on. Ooh, so instead we didn't make it. Okay, we did not make it. We didn't make it. Yes, I made it. Good stuff, trucks. Yes. What? How did I get broke? I didn't even touch anything. Well, I guess I still got broke. Now it's gonna take me a while just to get back. How did I have to die? Yes. Good trucks. Yeah, good stuff, trucks. Jump over this. No, dude goes right there. Okay, we're gonna jump here. Jump here. Jump here. Why are you still going faster? Oh, I think I have to let go of shift, huh? Okay. Oh, you can't do it because it's just still pushing me. This truck. Yeah, perfect. Yes, perfect. Chill. Take it. Oh my gosh, this one's like impossible for me. I don't think I'll be able to pass it. Oh, and I died again. Okay, this one's gonna be pretty hard. All right, let's keep going. Yes. Good. Good stuff, trucks. Good stuff. Yes! We completed level 12. Now we're level 13. Let's go. Okay, this one looks too easy. This one looks... Oh, you just jumped the trucks. Okay, that's not too hard. There's some basic jobs, huh? That was like easy one. Oh, that's a lot of money. Whoa. They give me like 3.5 thousand money. Well, I mean, not 3. What am I saying? Wait, can I just stay under here? Yeah. Do I get hit? No. Yes. It's a perfect jump. Good jump. Ah, I touched it. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Whoa! That was like the last part too. Oh, I am crazy. Yes, I am crazy. I'm crazy. Okay, we just want to keep going. Oh. Okay. Oh, snap. Okay, we fell anyways, but let's keep going. Alright, let's go. Yes, good. Yes. The truck. Oh, that was crazy. One more level, everybody. One more level. Okay, one more level. Okay, keep going. Good trucks. This one's actually easy. Actually, all you gotta do is sit on the truck. Oh snap! This one's actually easy. Okay, yes. Only few make it here. Yeah. Okay, everybody, we completed level 5. Make sure to subscribe, and don't forget I put a lot of work in these videos. So make sure to subscribe and like, and peace, everybody.